In a captivating conversation with Sara Walker on Lex Fridman's podcast, several profound insights were shared about the nature of life, the universe, and everything in between. Walker explains life as a process where information structures matter over time and space, creating complex systems like the Technosphere, which she sees as the most alive entity on Earth due to its integration of life and technology. The origin of life is framed as an emergence within chemistry's vast combinatorial space, where the universe selects which structures get to exist. Assembly theory, crucial to this understanding, posits that life constructs itself recursively. Discussing potential alien life, Walker suggests that it might already be undetectable due to its advanced state. She also explores how fashion and beauty reflect deeper patterns of existence. Finally, the necessity of death for life's evolution and the idea of free will in a predetermined universe are touched upon, adding layers to our understanding of existence.